Ladies and gentlemen, both Figma and Zeplin have absolutely different use cases. Today we're going to have a look at exactly what those use cases are. We're going to have a look at which one you should be using and what advantages each one of them has. So without further ado, let's climb straight into it. Right, so let's jump straight in and have a look at Figma. Figma is a real-time collaboration platform. It offers you the opportunity to have multiple users that can work on one single design simultaneously, which makes it perfect for teams. Even if you're just two people working on a design, you can see these changes live. You can also leave comments and you can communicate directly within the app. You also have prototyping and animation. Now, Figma does include powerful prototyping tools. This allows you to create interactive designs quickly and easily. You can add transitions, animations, and you can even test your prototypes directly within the platform. And if that's not enough, you've got tons of community resources. There's a vibrant community where you can share your templates, plugins, all of your resources, and you can also share from others. And you can find inspiration. You can find tools that can enhance your design process. So it really is an all-in-one software. So let's jump into Zeplin's key features now. Of course, Zeplin excels in design handoff between designers and developers. It provides a clear and organized way to share your design specifications, your assets, and your styles, which will ensure that developers have everything that they need to implement designs accurately as well as quickly. There is also an automatic style guide. All right, so Zeplin automatically generates style guides from your designs. This includes colors, typography, as well as even spacing. This feature can help you maintain consistency, and it really does speed up the development process by providing developers with a comprehensive reference. We also have code snippets. Zeplin provides code snippets for various platforms, including iOS, Android, as well as web. This allows developers to easily copy and paste styles and assets directly into their code base. Wow, that is awesome. This feature streamlines the development workflow, and it can really reduce the chances of errors. You also have the integration with some design tools. So the integration is absolutely seamless with Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and these integrations can allow designers to export their designs to any one of these platforms quickly and easily. So the disadvantages of Zeplin is that it's not a design tool. Zeplin is not for creation. It's primarily focused on the handoff process. So this means you will still need to use a design tool like Figma to create designs before using Zeplin for handoff. It also has some costs involved. It's on a subscription basis, so this could also be a disadvantage. I guess paid software does offer a little bit more. However, it depends on what your use case is, what you're looking for, and what you're willing to spend to get what you're looking for. Let us know in the comment section what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. You can also drop us a like to show your support for the channel and share it with a friend. We'll see you in another awesome video, people. Peace out.